2025 question. The sum of all rational terms in the expansion of 2 plus root 3 power 8 is, these are the options you have to select from. So our expression is 2 plus root 3 power 8, and this you know by binomial expansion that a plus b power n can be written as nc0 a power n into b power 0 plus nc1 a power n minus 1 b power 1 plus nc2 a power n minus 2 b power 2 plus dash 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 plus ncn a power n minus n and b power n. Okay, means a power, this is 0, this is a power 0 and this is b power n, like here a power n and this is n minus n. In this way binomial expansion you know already. You know this also. What do you mean by rational terms? Rational terms means the rational expression, means the numbers which are in the rational form, which can be expressed as p by q form. P and q belongs to z integers and q not equal to 0. And irrational terms are those terms which are generally the square root of prime numbers. Prime numbers, the numbers who have only two factors, the number itself and the digit 1. Okay, other explanation for irrational number is this, that it can be expressed in the form of non-terminating and non-repeating decimal form. Okay, so here in our question, in this expansion you will get the terms containing 2 as well as root 3. Wherever you get root 3, that term will be said as irrational term. Okay, and wherever it is root 3 into root 3 means it becomes 3, root 3 power 2 becomes 3, so that term will be considered as rational terms. So we have to just bifurcate the rational terms and irrational terms and find the sum of all the rational terms in this question. So it is very easy question. Let us start. So our expansion, that is 2 plus root 3 power 8 will be 8 c0 2 power 8 and root 3 power 0 plus 8 c1 2 power 7 root 3 power 1 plus 8 c2 2 power 6 root 3 power 2 plus, no need to write all the terms, but just to make it clear I am writing it, 2 power 5 root 3 power 3 plus dash 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 8 c8 2 power 0 and root 3 power 8, isn't it? Now you can see the terms, it will be independent of root 3 because root 3 power 0 is 1, so this is rational term. This is root 3 power 1, so root 3 will be there, so this is irrational term. This is root 3 power 2, so this will become rational number. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, and so this will be considered as rational terms. This again will give you irrational terms because root 3 power 3, so root 3 into root 3 into root 3, these two becomes rational, 3 into root 3, so you will get this as irrational terms. So you can conclude that all the even number of terms are having rational expression, so we will have to find the addition of all those rational terms. So rational terms in above expression will be number 1 8c0 2 power 8 into root 3 power 0, number 2 8c1 8c2 2 power 6 root 3 power 2, 8c4 2 power 4 root 3 power 4, 8c6 2 power 2 root 3 power 6, isn't it? 8c8 2 power 0 root 3 power 8. In this way you will get these values. You can calculate now. 8c0 is 1. 2 to the power 8 is how much? 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 256 into 1, that is 256 you are getting. 8C2 will be how much? 8 into 7 upon 2, so 28 into 2 power 16, 6, sorry, so 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64 into 3. This you can calculate it. So just multiply it, 28. This multiplication you have to do. Five three seven six. So we will write it as 5376. I will just write it as 5376. Now we will find this. 8C4 means 876 divided by 24. So 6 4s are 4 2s are 2 5s are 10, 70. This is 70 into 2 power 4 means 16. 3 root 3 power 4 means 9. So again you have to find this. So this will give you 144 into 7. 1008 and 10 will be there. Again you will just, so this will give you 10080. Now we will calculate 8C6 and 8C2 are same, so 28 4, and this will give you 27. So we will just multiply it. 27 is 108 into 28. This 4 into 27 is 108. Now multiply. So 4 6 3024. So we will write it as 3024, and this will give you 8C8 is nothing but 1 into 1 into this will give you 81. Root 3 power 8 is 3 3s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, because root 3 into root 3 will give you 3. So 8 is power, so 3 power 4, that will give you 81. So it will give you 81. Now add all these, sum. We just find out the sum. Required sum is equal to, you just add all this and write the addition. One 8817. So this is your option C is correct. Okay, so option C is correct. Thank you.